Hello, this is Jeff from JIAHE Excavator. Today we have two units of 70.5 tons excavator and one small mini skid loader will load into the container. The 7.5 tons excavator with the 2 hydraulic pipeline and the EPA 4 engines with the 3 brackets and the hydraulic thumb and the hydraulic quick hitch. So right now the operator will show how to load it, and we don't remove the cabin. Slowly, but safety. Most of our operators has over 20 years experience. Thank you for watching. Welcome to visit us.